Hey, what's going on YouTube? So today we're going to be working on the 2012 Toyota Camry, and we're going to be doing the thermostat. As you can see, is down there right here. Okay, so what you're going to be needing today is a 10mm wrench, a 10mm socket, a longer one is preferred, and a 1/4 ratchet, your thermostat gasket, and your coolant. This one takes red pink, and I got everything at my local parts store. So what I did was I put a catch can at the bottom so no coolant will be spilled. And we're going to start by taking off the top bolt. The bottom one is a little bit trickier. That's why you need the wrench to get to it. But it's just one bolt on top, one bolt at the bottom. Now we're just gonna pull it off and let the coolant go down into the pan. Pull it out completely and move it to the side. And what you want to do is pry it off if you can. Alright, so I use some pliers from the bottom, from this side, and just go ahead and pull it out. Some may come out really slow, some might you have to pull it a little bit harder, but this is what it looks like. Right here it's all pouring out, but we're gonna put new coolant in, so that's alright. So this is a new one compared to the old one. This one's just a newer style. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop it back into place. And just make sure it's under correctly. And then we're gonna put the housing back on. So after we put the bolts on, we're gonna tighten them. So now we're going to be filling it all the way until no more goes in, with the car shut off. We're going to turn on the car, and we're going to turn on the heater all the way to high. So now that we turn it on, we're gonna add some more coolant. We're gonna let it run until bubbles come out. When your car has reached operating temperature and no air bubbles are coming out of the top of the radiator, you can take off the funnel and close the cap. Once you have seen that there's no more air bubbles in the system, you can now close the cap and shut off your car. Well, that's it guys, thanks for watching. If you like the content, subscribe, there'll be more, and let me know what you guys think.